We'll guide you through how to see saved videos on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've been saving lots of videos or even just one, and now you're wondering how you can go and see and watch it or them. We'll guide you through the steps. So there are different ways this can be done as well, and we'll be covering that in this video. So to get started with this, I'm going to go and save a video, and then I'll guide you through how you can go and find it. So we'll press search in the top right and search GuideRealm, and then we'll come to a GuideRealm video. I'll come to this one here, for example. So if we come beneath the video, you can go and scroll along and you'll see the option for save. So as you can see, it's now been saved, and you may be wondering how you can go and see that. Alternatively, you may have gone and scrolled along and even gone and downloaded it and gone and saved it that way. And you may be wondering how you can go and find that. So we're covering that in this video. So what you need to do is go and close off the video like so. And then what you need to do is go and head to the bottom right of YouTube. There, you're going to go and see the U button, and you need to go and tap there. So if you went and press save beneath the video, you need to come to playlists and you need to go and press view all to the right. Now you're going to see different playlists. By default, or most likely, you would have saved it to the watch later playlist. So we can go and tap there, and then you'll go and see the videos you've gone and saved. So you can see this is what I just saved. You can then tap on it and you can go and watch it like so. If you went and saved it to a different one, you can scroll through this playlist and you can go and find it. If you go to the top left, you can press where it says recently added. I could change it to recent activity, and you can help find videos and playlists that way where they may have been saved. If you went and downloaded it, as I also did, and saved it that way, what you need to do is on the U page, you can get to by pressing in the bottom right, is you need to go and scroll down, and there you'll go and see downloads. And you can tap there and find videos you went and downloaded and saved on your device. And you can then go watch these without needing a connection to the internet, which is really convenient. So there we go. That is how you can go and find videos saved on YouTube. Really convenient, as perhaps you want to go and rewatch them or go and access them again in the future. Or if you downloaded it, you want to go and watch it offline without needing a connection to the internet. So if you found this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.